Welcome to the complete website development course. So in this course, we'll have four main objectives. So the first objective will be, by the end of this course, you'll be able to gain complete website development skills. You should also be able to create and publish custom email accounts. These are email accounts with the name of your website, so you avoid using the common emails such as Gmail and Yahoo. And then you should be able to grow your business through a modern website powered solution. So here you'll be able to enhance your marketing and your reach through websites. And finally, you should be able to create custom website solutions. These are related to startups and custom businesses which run online, where you can be able to serve customers with a variety of products or services. So I'll be your course instructor. My name is Joseph Mungi Kamau. Yeah, I'm the founder and director of the listed companies, Finatruck, Finahost, Walters Trading Company, Online Advisors Insurance Agency, Zaidi Insurance and Technology, Walter Builders, Precon, and TipTop. So a brief about myself. Was listed in the top 40 under 14 2018 by Business Daily in Kenya. So this was in relation to efforts by starting a business by the name Finatruck Global Limited, which is a licensed application service provider licensed by the Communication Authority of Kenya. So we specialize in GPS tracking and fleet management solutions. So for Finahost, this is a web development firm. Walters Trading Company is a logistics company. Online Advisors is licensed by the Insurance Regulatory Authority as an independent insurance agency. Zaidi Insurance and Technology is a mixture of Finatruck and Online Advisors, where we create Internet of Things powered solutions for the insurance industry. We also have Walter Builders, a construction company licensed by NCA, which is the National Construction Authority. Then we have Precon and TipTop. These are basic business names, where Precon relates to promoting local services, mainly along manual labor, and TipTop relates to creation of e-commerce powered solutions. So with that said, let's get started. So this course is mainly categorized into two sections. So we'll have the theory and the practical. So for the theory, we'll only cover the basics about website development. So this will introduce you to the common terms, which will keep on appearing and occurring throughout the course. Then we'll go into the practicals. First of all, we'll be able to buy a domain name and hosting. Then we'll access the cPanel, where we'll be able to create our emails, install WordPress, then start editing the WordPress website. Then finally, we'll install an SSL certificate to enhance security of our website. And then we'll share additional things to consider throughout your web development business or your journey. Then we'll link your email accounts to Gmail to make it easier and more efficient, and also increase the storage space for your emails. And finally, we'll be able to launch your own website by the end of this course.